Hi, this is Robert from BrainPOP. When school closes for an extended period of time, you may wonder how you can support learning at home. Well, BrainPOP has developed grade-level ideas, tips, and activities for using BrainPOP and BrainPOP Junior to build and apply knowledge in playful and engaging ways. Let's begin with how to navigate this site and some basic BrainPOP info. Once you log in, you have access to all the resources BrainPOP has to offer. Notice how BrainPOP is organized by subject area. And within each subject are units of study, and inside the units are specific topics. You can also search for a specific topic. Every BrainPOP topic features a short, engaging animated movie that captures your child's interest while building knowledge. Your child can watch and learn independently, or you can watch together, pausing to ask questions, discuss ideas, make connections, learn, and reflect. Let's take a look at the resources that accompany every BrainPOP topic. The interactive quiz strengthens comprehension skills. Immediate feedback from the lovable Moby lets kids check their understanding of the movie's content on the spot. Make a Map, an online concept mapping tool, invites your child to connect ideas and concepts from the movie using BrainPOP's library of images, keywords, and movie clips. Children can also print their maps for reference or screen grab an image. You'll also find related readings accompanying each topic. These are high-interest, informational texts that extend understanding while providing opportunities to practice reading strategies. Children can read independently, or you can read aloud together and discuss. You will also discover graphic organizers, worksheets, and vocabulary that your child can complete digitally or print out and complete offline. BrainPOP's learning games invite your child to playfully engage with concepts they are learning in topics across the curriculum. The high-quality games are inherently motivating and fun to play, seamlessly fostering creative problem-solving while strengthening critical thinking skills, and they require very little instruction or direction. Some topics include a primary source activity that involves analyzing a first-hand resource. You'll also find challenge activities, interactive tasks that assess prior knowledge while practicing important test-taking skills. Depending on the type of account your school has, you may also have access to Make a Movie, a tool kids use to produce original BrainPOP-style movies, and Creative Coding, which offers block and text-based coding projects. There's a lot to engage on a topic page, isn't there? Our goal at BrainPOP is to offer more structure and meaning to your child's learning time at home.